Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks, rumors, and anticipated features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the potential game-changer for drone enthusiasts, the DJI Air 4. Let's explore what these models might bring to the table and how they could revolutionize aerial photography and videography. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Leaks, features, and more. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most eagerly awaited drones in DJI's lineup. Despite the recent release of the compact and budget-friendly DJI Neo, the excitement around the Mini series remains robust. For drone enthusiasts who crave high-quality aerial photography in a portable package, the Mini series continues to be the go-to option. Anticipated features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries with its Mini lineup, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to follow suit. Here are some key features and upgrades we're likely to see. 1. Camera enhancements. Speculation is rife that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This improvement would enhance image quality, delivering sharper details, richer colors, and better low-light performance. While some hope for a resolution increase, DJI seems more focused on improving dynamic range and clarity. 2. Weight and portability. Maintaining the sub-250g weight class is crucial for the Mini series, as it exempts users from needing FAA registration in the US. This lightweight design makes it accessible and user-friendly. However, it also limits the scope of hardware upgrades. DJI will likely prioritize performance enhancements that don't compromise this weight limit. 3. AI tracking capabilities. Upgraded AI tracking is another highly anticipated feature. Enhanced object tracking could allow the Mini 5 Pro to follow fast-moving subjects like vehicles or athletes with precision, making it a top choice for action-oriented videography. 4. 5G connectivity. With 5G integration, users could experience smoother real-time video transmission, better control, and higher-resolution live feeds. This feature would be particularly beneficial for professionals who rely on reliable and fast connections during remote operations. 5. Battery life improvements. The Mini 4 Pro already offers an impressive 40-minute flight time. DJI is expected to maintain or slightly enhance this, ensuring extended usability without sacrificing the lightweight design. Release date and pricing. DJI's annual release cycle for the Mini series suggests that the Mini 5 Pro could arrive as early as November. While there's no official confirmation, the price is likely to remain competitive, similar to the Mini 4 Pro. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. For beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike, the Mini 5 Pro could strike the perfect balance between ease of use, high-quality imagery, and portability. It may not revolutionize the market but could deliver meaningful improvements that refine the overall user experience. DJI Air 4. A leap in drone technology? Switching gears, the DJI Air 4 is another hot topic within the drone community. Leaked images and rumors hint at significant upgrades that could set a new standard for consumer drones. Expected features of the DJI Air 4. 1. Camera upgrades. Leaked reports suggest dual cameras equipped with 1-inch sensors for enhanced image quality. There's also speculation about the inclusion of a mechanical shutter, which would significantly reduce distortion in aerial mapping and fast action scenes. A variable aperture could further enhance creative control, allowing for better depth of field and exposure adjustments. 2. Design and portability. The Air series is known for its compact, foldable design, and the Air 4 is expected to retain this hallmark feature. Rumors suggest a slight reduction in weight compared to the Air 3, which weighs 720g. This could make the Air 4 even more versatile and easier to transport. 3. Advanced flight features. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is an enhanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. Coupled with improved AI algorithms, this could make the Air 4 safer and more intuitive to operate, even in complex environments. 4. Battery performance. The Air 3 already boasts an impressive 46-minute flight time. The Air 4 could push this further with larger capacity batteries, allowing for extended shooting sessions without frequent landings. 5. Connectivity and real-time features. Similar to the Mini 5 Pro, the Air 4 is expected to feature 5G connectivity for smoother, high-resolution live feeds and enhanced control over longer distances. Release date and pricing. The Air 4 is rumored to launch in the latter half of this year, following DJI's typical 12 to 18-month release cycle. Pricing is expected to align with the Air 3, which currently retails at $1,099. DJI will likely offer various bundles to cater to different user needs, from basic kits to more advanced packages with additional accessories. Why the Air 4 could be a game changer. The Air 4's rumored features, including larger sensors, improved obstacle avoidance, and extended battery life, could make it a standout choice for both hobbyists and professionals. These enhancements would provide greater creative freedom and a more seamless user experience. Final thoughts. Both the DJI Mini 5 Pro and Air 4 are generating immense buzz, and for good reason. Whether you're a beginner looking for an entry-level drone or a professional seeking advanced features, DJI's upcoming lineup promises something for everyone. What are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more updates on the latest DJI releases and other cutting-edge tech news.